Hi, my name is Tobias. I'm the brand ambassador for LYRE'S non-alcoholic spirits.
And I'm Jackie from Fellow in Los Angeles. You know, Tobias, sometimes after a long day, I just want something quick and refreshing to sip on.
Well, we have two options here on the table. I love my American Malt with cola.
I actually prefer the LYRE'S Dark Cane Spirit with cola.
How about we do both?
Let's do it.
2 ounces of American Malt.
2 ounces of the Dark Cane Spirit. Then finish it off with some cola. Cheers. Perfect.
And let's get some.
Why, thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Straws.
All right, go. Cheers.
Cheers. So good.
Delicious.
To find this recipe and many other cocktail recipes, go to lyres.com.